soldering iron. So mao ni siya ang soldering iron. So a tool that heats up and melts solder to connect electronic parts. So mao ni soldering iron. Soldering lead. Mao ni siya. So then a metal wire that usually makes and then a lead or lead-free alloy that melts when heated. It becomes the glue that connects components or a circuit. Soldering test. A chemical is applied before soldering to clean the metal surface. So morning soldering test. Morning soldering iron, morning soldering lead.